Cooking fires are the #1 cause of home fires and home injuries. With this in mind, you may want to consider installing an automatic fire extinguishing device. These devices have been the industry standard in restaurant kitchens for years, and now similar devices are available for home kitchens at home improvement stores. These magnetic devices simply attach to the underside of your hood vent or microwave, and one pair of canisters can protect a normal 4-burner stove in the event of a fire. The canisters contain an extinguishing powder that is similar to the powder inside of a fire extinguisher, and when the flame from a cooking fire comes into direct contact with the fuse on the underside of the device, it automatically releases the powder directly over the fire. These devices can provide an added measure of fire protection, but if you have a kitchen fire in your home, please get out, go to your safe meeting place, and call 911. A safety message from the Greenville City Fire Department.